Sipiika w'eishengyero ry'eihanga Uganda. Sipiika w'eishengyero ry'eihanga Uganda Anita Among omukurambura oku yabashendekerezibweho abandi bany'eishengyero abashubuzi b'amaani kuruga omuri Mbarara n'aheeru yaho. Omu disitulikiti ya Kiruhura yahikira ahari Kibega ahari mwesigwa resort oku yarambura ente enyankore amaju n'ebindi bikwatu na munonga ebikongera kugamba abunyakare.
Thank Honorable Rukaari so much. The long-horned cows, I actually don't want anybody even to touch my long-horned cows, say you're slaughtering. I love the way they are, especially those ones that have the love horns. They are very nice cows and it preserves our culture.
Anita Among n'abandi bebembezi abaiko omwanya ogwo basiima omurimo ogukozirwe omuny'eishengyero Mbarara City North Dr. Robert Rukaari mwesigwa.
For this investment of the resort and also employing our young people. It's a very good thing and I wish we can have so many of these investors around. It will help us, one, to employ people, create jobs for them, and also get some income and develop our area. Once we develop our area one by one, they say Kamwenge. Once we develop our area one by one, this one is developing here, the other one there. At the end of the day, our country will be a developed country. We do not need to wait for government to do everything. We can complement as the private sector.
Okurambura oku kwahwa omuny'eishengyero Mbarara City North aherize Sipiika w'eishengyero ry'eihanga Uganda eitungo ng'akamanyiso ka rukundo n'obumwe kuruga omuri nkore.
And you know, for us in our culture, once somebody gives you cows, that is total friendship. I want to thank Honorable Rukaari so much.
Abantu bafuna omugisha gw'amaani ab'okutaayisa Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament Anita Among ayiza Kibega mwesigwa resorts kandi akasiima Rukaari Honorable abokukombeka cottages zikemployinga abanyayuganda n'abatari abanyayuganda nibafuna omurimo.
Kandi twashimirwa kuza omu resort ya mutayi witu kandi tunisiima bwa investment zibariyo nabo.
Abwa TV West Nisenyomo Gideon.